Hi! I want to start off by showing you a very simple and useful electric fret saw compass, which you can use to cut round things of proper diameter. And with this kind of thrust, making parallel cuts has never been easier. When drilling in hard-to-reach places, you might want to consider trying one of these. If the drill fits, then chances are you'll be able to make holes in there. The finish is very simple, so all you'll need to make one of these is a still angle, a belt with a handle, and a piece of pipe. So what you do is you fix it where you want to drill, then pull the handle pushing the drill itself, and there you go. I'm sure you'll find this way very useful in many particular cases. This next thing is the nozzle, which is great to use if you grind on curved surfaces. And making one of these isn't hard at all. The best thing about it is quick and convenient abrasive switcheroo. And all you have to do is twist up the nut that holds the clamping washer. And here's a great idea for those of you who want to make a signboard for a shop or a cafe or, you know, your workshop. If you have kids, you can make a little something for them. So the LED strip light goes in the butt of a glass. To send the light in the right direction, it might be a good idea to use the black tape. For this particular panel, you can use fluorescent markers. Now, did you know that you can turn a circular saw into a miter saw in a simple way? A hinge is used to fix the saw base to the plank. You can set the cutting angle by using the guide. Bungee ropes are used to lift and set back the shield. Those of you who ever had a chance of installing a tile floor knows how ruthlessly painful it may be squatting the day away. There's a way out, however, with a small, portable, and very comfortable seat. And because it's detachable, there shouldn't be any trouble storing and moving it around. You can practically put it together in a matter of mere minutes. You gotta agree, this makes the tiling process much easier, and maybe even a bit faster. Think that maybe electricians can be potentially interested in something of this sort. It can help a great deal when working with the sockets by the floor. When welding small parts, this articulated table made of pipes can be very helpful. As you can see, there are clamps for fixing the samples. Simply work one side, turn it over, and do the other one the same way. And here's another interesting solution for the same matter. This is a holder with pincers. And the great thing about it is that you can actually put it at any angle by means of 4 separate hinges. Okay, that's all for now. Thanks again.